All right, guys, welcome back. I figured I'd take you through a used tire install. So we're going to demount the bald radial slicks that are on this car. Caleb went to lunch. It is cricket quiet in here. You can almost hear a pin drop. Phone's not ringing. Customers aren't coming in. So I'm just trying to get through my day here. Let's see if I can't bring you along. So I'm taking off this used, this bald slick that should have been replaced long ago. People are so out of control here in New Jersey. Out of control. Completely out of control. Important step that every tire installer, or not almost every tire, but tire installers I see is this. You gotta prep the rim. Do this with every job. Every tire job, every rim job, hip job, steel job, Chico, Harbor Freight, Keith. That prevents problems. Set of used Michelin takeoffs. How about that? Do I lubricate? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. These are going pretty easy. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Done. Shops out here don't have a tire machine or don't do tires? That's a good question. Yeah, baby. We've had a tire machine in our shop forever because that's the way it is today. Huh? I'm not bald anymore, so I got 3 done. I got 1 more to do. Pre-owned in good condition. Some people just, want new tires. It's just they know that, hey, after a couple of years, I just need some new tires. This has some slight chopping in it, but probably won't be heard. All right, you just saw how I do it. And then we're gonna pump her up. How many guys out here, or girls, set tire pressure above the maximum door spec? I set them at least 3 to 5 pounds higher. Why? I don't want to be chasing tire lights. Thanks for watching.